So what's up guys, another video. Ito guys, yung video naman different siya. Minecraft pero pangit yung Minecraft natin. At saka gonna touch blue. Oh yan. Yan guys. Goal pala natin makakuha ng emerald. Guys, kuha lang muna tayo ng mga gato. Diba? Para mag-cross tayo dun, okay? Sa tubig na to. Sige, subukan mo hawakan. Agad, guys. Yan. Yan. Yan, guys, matagal-tagal mo na siya medyo. Oh, guys, na-lose na tayo. My God, guys. Pero, guys, pwede nyo ba ako bigyan ng chance, please? Pwede nyo ba ako bigyan ng chance, guys? Uy, may village! Let's go! Guys, bigyan naman ako ng chance, oh. Sige na, guys. Oh. Pwede na yan. Okay, guys, papalitan lang natin. Ano na lang, not to touch yellow. Ito. I'm sorry guys, kapag na-disappoint ko kayo, kapag yan, ganyan. I village agad, ganyan. Sorry po. Sana yan. Ay, maligo man. Tulog muna ako guys. Sorry guys. Sorry talaga. Akala ko kasi good parkour ako eh. Hindi naman talaga ako good parkour guys, yes. Walang pala tayo na try natin na to. Hindi mo makuha. Isang, oh yeah. Shower chance tayo eh. Hi guys. Sorry guys kapag na-disappoint ko kayo, ganyan. Hindi naman kayo pwede pwede naman hindi kayo mag-subscribe, ganun, mag-like, ganun. Okay lang po. Yan. Okay lang po kung anong gawin nyo. Thank you po sa mga subscribers ko dyan. One of my friends ko dyan. Lot of my friends. Dyan. Okay, sa tagal na ba? Hindi ako maka-adapt ng ano. Oh my God, bro. Tagal. Bakit tayo mag-adapt na her? Hi, be! Wait lang, tingnan natin bata. Hi, be! Kailang ulo mo. Sorry guys talaga. Pasensya na po. Sa susunod na lang guys. Come on bro. Come on. Wala yan. Gold lang sana guys. I regret what I said bro. Yan. Pitang guys. Baboy. Go guys. Sa gold na lang sana yung sinabi ko. Para like that. Nakita ko lang kasi dito sa guys, sa TikTok or sa YouTube, yung mga yung trending ganun. Yung trending na guys. Hindi palusin mo dito, sino? Okay, guys. Yung mga trending na mga Minecraft video, pero hindi sila kakamali sana ulit. Habang ako guys nagkakamali, wow. Nagkakamali naman kasi ako guys. Pero guys, kung nakakamali ko kayo, ganyan. Bro.
Times when actors weren't acting. In the movie Elf, Buddy the Elf had to test Jack in the Boxes, which scared him a lot because they jumped out unexpectedly. The director of the movie had a remote to randomly make the Jack in the Boxes jump out and scare them.
Diba? Yan guys. Sorry guys kung na-disappoint ko kayo, ganyan. Pwede hindi naman kayo subscribe. Parang bumalik na ako dyan Uy, please. Uy, be, sorry na. Tagalaw ako, sorry na. Ay, sorry na ako. Oh, play bro. I-open ko na ba? Mag-electric pan tayo? Let's go!
Finally, a stuntman thought it was
Okay,
going on for a
sorry
little bit
talaga.
too long.
Kung ma-disappoint
Guys,
kayo.
how much money can you
Ito
make
na
in
lang.
one caption of food costs? You
Aray!
see, each cup's worth €3, and when you return them, you get cash.
This, oh my
Be on
god.
top of work,
Come on,
when
bro.
my first company
Hindi ko talaga makukuha. Sinasabi ko.
every euro I make is going to
Diyos
charity.
ko naman.
Then I bumped into these subscribers who gave me 4 cups, which put me on a roll, finding cup after cup. Now it was time to
Oh my
hop up and
god.
watch Mbappe. But at
Okay
halftime,
guys,
I got
sasabihin ko
back
na.
to work getting
I lose this challenge.